evening and welcome to my masterclass. Today I'll be showing you how to increase the resolution of any image online. Not just increase the resolution, make your image brighter. Let's say you have a blurred image and you want to make it brighter. You can use these simple steps using your smartphone. Let me look for a blurred image that we can use for this. I think I have some on my download, so I'll quickly get one. Okay, as you can see, this image was downloaded from Shutterstock, and it's very blurred. As you can see, it's very blurred. You cannot use this for any form of design. Okay, so we'll be using this image as a case study. If you're here for the first time, I would like to say that you should subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get updates. Turn on the notification button so that you can get updates once we drop any new video. So I head straight to my Google Chrome and I type upscaler. This is the magic website this is the magic that does the website that does the magic. It's called upscaler.com. Image upscaler. Let's search image upscaler, and yeah, it's imgupscaler.com. actually, img upscaler. So for my visually impaired followers, I for important, M for mango, G for go, U for up, P for people, S for Sandra, C for cattle, A for apple, L for Lucifer, E for egg, like EGG, egg, elephant, and then R for rabbit. So we have the imgupscaler.com. all right, so you scroll down and you see drag or drop. It's quite simple. When you click on the drag or drop button, your images will load. So that image is in my download, so I'll just go over to my download. And I would quickly get the image from there. I think this is it. Okay, so the original size is 5.7 KB. all right, and then I'll click on start on your right hand side here, and in a matter of seconds it's done. It's asking us to download. Now when you click on the download button, it will preview the image first of all. Wow, this is beautiful. You can see this, right? Your image is as bright as whatever. Okay, so this is a simple step to get your image done. When you hold down your screen, this will pop up and then you are able to download your image into your phone. Now, assuming you're not contented with this, there is every possibility that you have not gotten the real picture of what you want. You can download this, repeat the same process, and it will become brighter than this particular one. So thank you for joining this class. I hope to see you in my previous videos, and please subscribe to this channel.